Hi, welcome to Casa Aluem. This is my home, a vacation rental in Uvita, Costa Rica. I want to tell you what Aluem means, and is the initials of our family names. And I'm going to start showing you the social area. This is the social area of Casa Aluem. As you can see, the colors, textures, and concept is very natural and neutral. We wanted to incorporate the outside inside the house, so when you walk in for the first time, you feel like you are in the forest. You are in the canopy of the forest. That's why we incorporate everything in very neutral tones and nature, and it's very unique and special for you. Before I show you the rooms, I want to show you this cute spot at the end of the hallway. It's an office, and that office lets you the space for working, reading a book, or enjoy the sunshine of the mornings. This is very comfortable and quiet. And here right there is the master bedroom with a queen-size bed. It's equipped with air conditioning and fan, and it has garden view as well, its own vanity, and behind this door you have a full private bathroom for yourself. This is the second bedroom. It has a queen-size bed, its own vanity, and AC and fan. And you can walk outside to the balcony with garden views. This is the third bedroom, a queen-size bed with air conditioning and fan, and also its own vanity. It features a balcony where you can walk outside and enjoy the garden and pool view of the property. This is the second full bathroom of the house, that bedroom number 2 and 3 shared. The laundry room is fully equipped. Washer, dryer, extra towels, and bed lining. Going back to the social area, I want to show you that the living and dining area has in the center the entertainment center, where you can watch movies with our smart TV, or you can play games that we have storage over there, but also incorporates the kitchen. The kitchen has a mobile island that you can put as your wish, and is fully equipped with dishwasher, microwave, stove, and French door refrigerator. You'll find another appliances inside the pantry room. Walking outside, you can see the house has all screens around, and that's for you to enjoy the natural breeze of Costa Rica. Where the house is located is named Las Brisas neighborhood, and the breeze is the reason of that name. We have an elevation that allows us to have breeze all day long, and we want you to enjoy that when you are inside the house. From here, you can enjoy the bird watching, you can listen to the monkeys, and you can have your coffee and just be yourself. When we take the way to the pool, we find this cozy space for your barbecues. The barbecue over there and 2 cozy chairs, so you can enjoy these flowers native from Costa Rica, lantana and dragon flowers, that attracts lots of butterflies and hummingbirds. When I built the house, I have in consideration the topography of the property. I wanted the house to be integrated to the forest, and not the house in the forest, like I put it in the middle of it. So we leave the topography as much untouched as possible, and we locate the house above. That was my main purpose. This beautiful property is located 5 minutes away from the national park. It's 5 minutes away from Uvita and supermarkets, restaurants. The location is great, and it's very easy access as well. Well, the pool, it speaks for itself. It's settled in the middle of the forest, under the canopies. It's a zen spot where you can relax, chill, enjoy nature at its best. Pool lounges, chair, a shower, and a bathroom in the back. It's all for you. I hope you have enjoyed the house tour, and we're looking forward to have you here at Casa Aluem soon.